Hi, my name is Dex and today we're looking into how we can configure SQL Accounting with your Shopee shopfront. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have created the necessary account codes. So to do this, you can come to GL, maintain accounts. So we need to create a few account codes. One of them is Shopee bank account. Next would be discounts. Here, discount allowed, vouchers. And then we will need to create in the expenses side shipping and transaction fees. So the second part that you need to set up is actually under here, the stock, under maintain stock group. So what happens is we will need to create a necessary stock groups for your system. So we need to create voucher, transaction fee, shipping fee, discounts. Alright. So let's say for example, for every group, we need to make sure that we have already linked the account correctly to the sales code here and to the sales return group. Alright. Alright, so after we created the stock group, the next thing that we need to do is we need to create the stock item here. Alright, so as the stock group we have created like discount, shipping, transaction and voucher, we will also need to actually create the necessary item codes here. So discount, shipping, transaction and voucher. Okay, so once we have actually created all these already, now we are ready to actually link our Shopee or Lazada shopfront to SQL Accounting. So to do this, all we just need to do is click the cloud button here, maintain cloud account. Then here we can say, example, if you want to create a new one, so we can say, okay, this is Shopee shopfront. Alright, and of course here the platform, we will need to select here Shopee, and then we just need to link to your Shopee shopfront. Alright, so of course you will need all your email credentials, or your login credentials, and then SQL also allows you to actually link multiple shopfronts. So example, if your company has 3 or 4 different Shopee shopfronts, you can actually link it together. Alright, so once we're done with this, the next thing that you need to do is we will need to link up all your item codes and account codes to your necessary shopfront. So let's say we come back to here to Shopee. So let's say we go to accounts, we double click into here. Here we can actually preset here and we can actually identify this one goes to which item. Okay, like voucher, transaction, shipping fee. Once done, you press OK. Alright, so once this is done, you are ready to link your accounting software to your online marketplace. We do hope you find this video helpful. Thanks.